What's up, my people? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, what we're going to go over is how you can create Facebook video ads for your dropshipping store. What I'm going to do in this video is create an ad myself, compare it to other companies and other businesses on Facebook that are currently running ads, and give a few tips on how you can create high converting ads so you can run a successful dropshipping store. So I hope you all enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. All right, so now we're at the computer, and what I did is create 3 video ads. You see them here. They took me about an hour to make in total, hour and a half to edit everything up. I just found a product on AliExpress. I saw the portable blender because we've all seen that product, and a lot of dropshippers and people on the internet talk about this product, as well as companies that have turned it into a full-fledged brand rather than just a dropshipping store. So first, what I'm gonna do is show the ad that I created. The only difference between the ads is the way that the text look. I just put something together really quickly so we can just get an idea of what it would look like. Something real simple: add your fruits, press start, and enjoy your delicious smoothie. Easy to clean, just add water and soap. Safe and spill proof. I showed a location that was different from the original, so you could say enjoy it anywhere, and then order your favorite color on blendsmart.com. Now that's not an actual website. I just put it so I could have a link to give an example, a real live example. And then to see the other copies is just different. The text is different. The exact same wording just looks different. This is one where you see like the bars up top and the bar bottom. The top would be the logo, the bottom would be the text. The next is just the same thing but with a different color text, no background, borders around the text, just to get a different appeal because you don't know what works. Sometimes different text may work for different audiences. You just have to test things out to see what works best. So yeah, I'll let this one play all the way through just so you can see it's the same thing, and order your favorite smoothie at blendsmart.com. So really simple, really quick. I put those together in an hour and a half, so something like that, using footage that I found on YouTube, AliExpress. Now, what I want to do is basically explain how I created these and then give you an example and compare them to people that have created the same ones using stock footage, so you can understand why it's important for you to create footage and videos and advertisements that are different and make you stand out from your competition. So you start off with make amazing smoothies anywhere. This could appeal to, now the first 5 seconds of the video is where you want to appeal to different audiences. This is where it's important to say, for instance, make amazing smoothies anywhere. You can say need a healthy meal on the go for people who are people who are always in a rush and need a meal. You could appeal to different people in different ways. It's similar to like having a car. Everybody needs a car, but the reason that people want them is different. Some people want luxury cars, some people want affordable cars, reliable cars, and you have to create different advertisements or add angles to make your brand stand out to a specific customer. Same thing applies here. The people that want a portable blender, some may want it because they just want the ability to create a smoothie anywhere. Others may want it because they're always in a rush. So you have to create different ads and test those creatives with different audiences. So next, after make amazing smoothies anywhere, have add your favorite fruits and vegetables. More so just giving a rundown of how it works. After you add your favorite fruits and veggies, you go into press start and enjoy your delicious smoothies. And if you notice, I put certain text in red to stand out because I want to one, make the video more engaging, but to highlight the importance of the product. After press start, you go into easy to clean, just add water and soap. I looked on Amazon at some of the highlighted points that people had for the portable blender, as well as some of the questions that they have in the bottom, and the most important ones or highest ranked questions are typically the pain points that people want to understand and know. So that's what I put for these two: easy to clean and spill proof should be next. Safe and spill proof. So what I did here, I'm gonna actually play it a little bit. I showed the same clip that I had in the video, but just titled it differently so people could understand. Like if you see somebody shaking something and nothing comes out, it's spill proof. So see, spill and shake proof, well, safe and spill proof. I showed the girl shaking the bottle that way so you will have the idea that you could use it in any environment. So, and then enjoy smoothies anytime, anywhere. So I changed the location, showed a clip with a lakefront in the background, something just different from what was seen originally. and this gives you the perception that you can have this and use it anywhere. Nice clip of the smoothie being poured, and then the last clip is the stock footage that you see everybody use. And then I wanted to change it up. Instead of shop now, I understood that these always come in different colors and variants, so I wanted to highlight that so people had the idea and understanding that there are multiple colors that could appeal to them, not just the one shown in the video. So I showed all of the products at the end. What are your favorite color on blendsmart.com? And you want to test different call to actions at the end as well to see what works best to get high conversions. So that's how I broke it down. That's what I went through to create this. Now, one thing that's important is you want to understand the competition and what they're doing. So what we're going to do is take a look at some people who also use stock footage, and then we're going to take an example of 2 companies that used custom footage and how they differentiate themselves and stand out compared to others that use the same content. All right, so first we're going to take a look at this ad here, discount offers. This is an ad that was just created on January 7th. I'm making this video. It is January 10th. So this is a new ad. Let's take a look.
This is the world's most powerful portable blender. It has 6 ultra sharp stainless steel blades designed to crush ice, fruits, and vegetables. It comes in 5 colors. You can take it anywhere. It has a carrying strap and strainer to filter out pulp. It's perfect for the healthy lifestyle. Just toss in your favorite ingredients. You can recharge its built-in battery quickly with any USB port or charger. Cleanup is easy. Just blend soap and water and make fresh smoothies, shakes, margaritas, or baby food on the go.
Okay, so this ad was really good. The difference is, well, first thing first, they have a lot of text going on at the top. It's kind of like too much almost, but it's not bad. Just from my take, me personally, I think it's a lot going on, but that doesn't mean that it's not a working ad or won't be. The difference here is that they're using voiceover instead of text, so you don't have to read. You can actually just listen, which definitely could work. I've seen a lot of ads use voice instead of text, but you also could include both if people don't have sound on, because it's a case that you can have your sound muted. So you just have to test both and see what works. So not a bad ad. Their content looked a little different from mine, but they also had a lot of some of the same clips. This one here is important. I want to highlight this one because they're using pretty much the same clips, but different ad angles. They're using different text in the beginning, and I'll play the beginning of each video really quickly. I'm gonna zoom in a little. I'm gonna play the first 5 seconds. That's what I wanted to show. All right, so with this one, drink served anytime, anywhere. Portable blender is a must-have. This music's really loud. Create smoothies, shakes, and more everywhere you go. Right? Then they're running a different ad. Let me turn this down. Make a way for healthy drinks on the go. Customers are crazy about the portable blender. Create, and then the exact same copy again, and then this one is the third. Fancy a smoothie? Now you can anywhere. So different ad angle. Everyone wants a portable blender, and then they have the same ad after that. So they focus on the first 5 seconds of each video, changing it just a little bit. If I'm not mistaken, the footage was all the same for the most part, maybe a little different outside of the first 5 seconds. And then after that, they pretty much are going to play the exact same video. And that's what I was saying when I was talking about my video. You want to change the first 5 seconds so you can appeal to different people that may want the same product. This one is important because I know for a fact this is just straight stock footage from AliExpress. So let's take a look at this one. I'll go full screen. Like, to the point where they're not even changing the text, the background. Like, I could find an exact picture that puts the description of the length. So they're literally just taking the footage and putting it together in a video, and that's it. Some more stock footage showing that it's powerful, but you'd have to imply and take everything in on your own. So it's really just a highlight of what the product is, showing it together. And personally, I don't think this would be a converting ad just because there's nothing to it, and there are other people who are creating way better ads. So this may get sales here and there, but not to the point where you'd be able to scale it and make a very successful ad. All right, so this ad here is amazing. They have branded their product, and they use custom content. this is a really good ad. This is what custom content looks like when it's really good. The exact same product, all they did was put their name on it and do custom content, will do tons more sales than a video similar to what I created or anybody else that's using stock footage, because your brand does not, you can't separate your product and your brand from the customers because you're all using the same footage. And this is what your customers are driven through when they see your product versus others. There's no differentiation between you and the others. Immediately showed all the different variants, features, 2 features, twist top lid, USB charging, easy to clean, pain point being solved, perfect size, another pain point, showing that you can take it easy on the go, and then showing the products again. Real quick, simple, but the difference between this and the other ones is the footage that they use, and that's what makes your product stand out from the competition. So this is an amazing product. They should have put it in an ad rather than just a normal video, because it would have done way better. It only got 284 views, but if they would have actually made an ad for this, 10 times better. So that is a good example of what custom content will look like, and you can immediately tell that this was well put together and that it's more engaging. I enjoyed watching that ad versus the ones like even calling myself out that I created with custom content. If you want to put together content that is really good, you want to differentiate it and make it look different from everybody else's. All right, so I was gonna show another ad, but I think that ad did justice. The Bliss portable blender is the ad that I just showed. That was an amazing ad, and I'm not gonna show another because that one did justice and showed exactly what it needs to look like in order for you to create really good ads that are engaging, custom, and can generate you a lot of traffic and conversions. Now, what I want to talk about now is what I would do differently with my ads to make them stand out even more. But the purpose of this was just to show you like what it would look like if you started creating ads right now, maybe as a beginner, because you'll have to take stock footage unless you have the budget to create or pay someone to create custom content for you. So the first thing that I would do is shoot the content myself, order the product, set a schedule so that I can create content that is custom to fit the appeal that I want for my brand. Add sound effects on the video. The music of my choice, I just put together a video really quickly, like I said, to show you all. I would have better music so that the ad appeals to the audience that I'm targeting. I would want a more upbeat music if I'm appealing to someone that works out and needs something on the go, versus if I was using someone that, rather than if I was trying to appeal to someone that is blending food for a baby, right? 2 different audiences, 2 different people, they need to hear 2 different sounds. Use sound effects to match transitions, and I would actually use transitions for my titles rather than just a switch to the next scene. And lastly, something that would take more time is to create different ad angles in the first 5 seconds of the video so that I could appeal to different people and different pain points of the customers that I am targeting. That's what it looked like. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope the breakdown was helpful and informative. If you actually would like to see me do a breakdown, like a tutorial on how I use and how I create my ads, I will do that. So again, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you enjoy the video, slap the like button. We'll see you in the next one.